What's up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme. Second session for the day and probably the last. This is the Traxxas MAXX6S that I'm running, not 4 as normally. Works great. Wide kit, Katar wheels, MAXX6, 24-46 here, tons of power, and just love it. Did some really good jumps with this one too, up there, like the X-Max. Downside is the narrower tires in the loose sand at the edge of the pile. You know, when I floor it, the car just spins, so I needed to build up speed, and it's a little bit rough, bumpy. So staying course, it's not the easiest, but managed to do some good jumps.